I don't know what that boy is doing, but he's doing something inside of the Cayenne. And I don't know if you know much about us, but usually I'm the worker and he's the looker. Ty. So I just get home and I see you with a door open in the Cayenne. A screwdriver.
Yep.
A flashlight. What are you doing?
Well, I got assigned a task. There is a box with a thingy, and it goes in there.
You're the cameraman!
So don't put... I got it. Put it in.
I suppose, welcome back to the channel. Awkward high five. You were trying to install a new brake controller in the Cayenne, as I can only assume?
Yeah.
Or like putting a turbo in, or a supercharger, or maybe you're working on the headlight. I have no idea what you're trying to do.
I was replacing a tire.
All right, let me take this one over. Take me in. Brake controller, 2008 Cayenne GTS. Okay, so to my lengthy research online, if your Cayenne came with a towing package, it has everything you need except for the brake controller and the wiring adapter. So I bought one of those, and all we gotta do is I already took the screw out. There's one screw, so we gotta get up into here. Easy, right? Take out the one screw from this little black panel down here. Can you see it? Way down here. And it is right there, right in the middle. Take that screw out. Save this. Don't eat it, and don't put it in the tire. After that one screw is out, what you need to do is you pull that down. There's two clips there and there, and then you slide it out like that. So you got a little bit of wiring in here. You want to take off that light there and take out the OBD2 thing. Very technical, right?
Yep.
Pull that out. There you go. Now we're most of the way in. Isn't that fun? Okay, so if you look inside of here, get way up there, can you see, I'll point to it, this thing right here. There's wire up there, can you see that? Maybe? Yes. There's a lot of room in here. That's what you gotta plug into. So that's all we gotta do. But first, we gotta make the wiring harness, which will be fun. You ready for that?
Yep.
All right. Brake controller. We went with a Reese tow power. The adapter that comes with it, we'll link it in the description below. 4 wiring connectors and directions. We're at turn 5. We're pretty much mechanics. And just like that, we have attached color-coded, white to white, blue to blue, black to black, red to red. You know what those wires do? They make it work. In order. Now all you gotta do is plug this in. So what was nice about this kit, and the link is in the description below, you get the brake controller and you get the adapter harness. So you just have to attach the wires, and this just literally plugs right in there. In theory, of course.
We are turn 5.
You're probably not going to be able to see, but way up here, past this parking brake, emergency brake, whatever you want to call it, is that this literally just plugs right into there. So I'm going to go do that now. Wish me luck. I don't see you wishing me very much luck.
I don't think you need luck. You got skill.
Man, we're very complimentary today. I wonder which way it goes. Okay, that goes this way. There's like one way that it works as well, which is kind of nice. There's no way you can see what I'm doing. If you can, I don't know what I'll give you.
A crisp high five.
I am the best. I installed this.
Hey, you are one half of turn 5. So literally, that thing, all you gotta do is just connect it, and now we're gonna reattach the bottom panel. Just slide it in, attach one screw, and we're back in business. And we'll show you the next part coming up. Like everything we do, as simple as the task is, we just make it difficult. We got to go to the right side fuse panel and get a new fuse. Let's go figure out which one that is.
So did you lose the screw?
Nope.
The
I got
most
it.
important part.
All right, so just as a Cliff Notes version, this panel has the one screw in the middle, and there's two little like things that it slides into here and here, and you just got to wiggle it in there, and then you're good to go. And that's literally how easy it is. So now we're going to make sure that it works by hooking up to the camper. We have the fuse on the right side. It's fuse 19, I think, on that side. For sure, it's fuse 19. Let's hook it up to the camper, make sure she works, and then we'll mount it. Tyler, we successfully did something here at turn 5. Look at this. Hit the brake. Bam. We didn't blow up. Let's go pull the camper. Reminder, 2008 Cayenne, greatest towing vehicle possible. Air suspension, tows 7,716 pounds. We're gonna go with our new trailer brake, dial her in, and then hide this semi-ugly, non-German conforming trailer brake controller.
I'm still stuck up on the fact that you said you needed to include the 16 pounds. Like, that's gonna change the game.
Hey, the German engineers thought it was important, so I'm not gonna leave it out. Let's go see how this tows. I am so jazzed up that we actually got something to work.
I know.
So we have been testing it off and on, going 40 to like an average stop, and we've landed on about 3/4 throttle. And that's
Or braking capacity.
the problem with the Cayenne GTS is it has the brakes from the 997 GT3.
Yep.
So it already stops really well, even pulling a 3,500 pound camper.
Yeah, it does.
So it's a little bit hard to figure out where the balance is, but we know that halfway doesn't do too much and all the way locks up the brakes. So we're going 3/4.
Sounds perfect, I think.
Let's park the camper, give it an outro, and hopefully this helps many of you that are trying to tow with your Cayenne. Tyler, this might be, aside from a headlight, the most successful turn 5 mechanicking we've ever done.
Welcome to the conclusion of this video.
I'm just so darn excited that we got it to work.
I'm surprised that this went off without a hitch, because
A hitch, we're towing. Haha, good one, Ty. Good dad joke.
you're not wrong there.
All right, so the last and final step is to place your brake controller wherever you want to. We put it on the side away, nobody will ever see it. We've adjusted it where we want it. It's a great success. Follow our steps, and it really is easy. If your Cayenne came with a towing package, all you gotta do is get the brake controller, the wiring, and clip it in. It's turn 5 proof.
If we can do it, you can do it.
I know this is a little bit different because we don't do a lot of how-to videos, but we've had a lot of questions and a lot of comments about our towing videos. Here you go. Ask more questions. We appreciate it. Make sure you click like, you comment, you subscribe, you do an awkward high five, and we also haven't done a pyramid scheme for a while, so go ahead and do that. We'll see you next week.